VidPro 2.0, the ultimate guide to video production success. Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering video production using VidPro 2.0. Can I really create the ultimate video from scratch? As a creator, you know how crucial video production is for engaging your audience and growing your brand. Mastering video production can be a game changer, helping you stand out in a crowded industry and achieving your goals. Whether you're a YouTube creator, filmmaker, or marketer, producing high-quality videos is essential for success. One of the biggest hurdles video producers face is technical difficulties. You've spent hours crafting the perfect script, only to have your equipment fail you on the day of the shoot. Sound issues, lighting problems, and equipment malfunctions can be a nightmare to deal with. And then there are the storytelling issues. How do you keep your audience engaged and interested in your content? You pour your heart and soul into your video, but somehow, it just doesn't seem to resonate with your viewers. Another challenge is audience engagement. You've created an amazing video, but it's just not getting the views and likes you expected. What's going wrong? Is it your thumbnail, title, or tags? Or is it something deeper? Maybe your video just isn't speaking to your audience in the way you intended. Common pitfalls like these can be frustrating and demotivating. However, understanding these challenges is the first step to overcoming them. To take your video production to the next level, you need to focus on the key elements that make a video successful. It all starts with planning, defining your goals, target audience, and message. A solid script is next, one that tells a compelling story and resonates with your viewers. When it comes to shooting, techniques like using good lighting, sound, and camera angles can make all the difference. And in post-production, editing is where you can really elevate your content, adding visual effects, music, and color grading to create a polished final product. Good planning sets the foundation for a successful video. When you know what you're trying to achieve, you can create a script that engages your audience. A well-crafted script is essential for keeping viewers interested. Shooting techniques can also make or break your video. A good camera, lighting, and sound equipment are essential. Even with great planning and scripting, poor shooting quality can ruin your video. The editing process is where you can really get creative. You can add visual effects, music, and color grading to create a unique and engaging video. A well-edited video can elevate your content and leave a lasting impression on your viewers. One thing that can dramatically improve your video production quality is understanding the power of storytelling. It's not just about conveying information, it's about creating an emotional connection with your audience. When you can tap into your viewers' emotions, you create a loyal following. A great story can make your video memorable and shareable. The way you tell your story can make or break your video. A compelling narrative can keep viewers engaged until the very end. So, how do you create a story that resonates with your audience? It starts with understanding who they are and what they care about. When you know your audience, you can craft a message that speaks to them. By focusing on storytelling, you can create a deeper connection with your viewers. This connection is what sets successful videos apart from the rest. To recap, we've covered the essential elements of video production success, from planning and scripting to shooting and editing. Each step is crucial in creating a high-quality video that engages your audience. By mastering these elements and focusing on storytelling, you can elevate your video production and achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on video production. I'd love to hear about your experiences and answer any questions you may have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video.